Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen organization and make dish drying a breeze, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Kitsure dish drying racks that combine sleek design, practicality, and durability to help you save space and time. Whether you're a small apartment dweller or have a large family, these racks are perfect for keeping your countertops neat and your dishes dry in no time. So, let's jump right in and explore these must-have kitchen essentials. Kitsure Dish Drying Rack, space-saving dish rack. Transform your kitchen counter with the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack, designed for efficiency and style. Its compact 12x by 15 L size fits perfectly on most counters, saving space while holding dishes securely. The stainless steel build is rust-resistant for long-lasting use, and the included cutlery holder keeps utensils organized. With a modern black finish, this dish rack combines functionality with elegance for a clutter-free kitchen. Transform your kitchen with the expandable dish drying rack for kitchen counter. This large extendable dish rack is perfect for any kitchen size, offering ample space for plates, cups, and more. The stylish bamboo-covered cutlery holder adds an eco-friendly touch, while its adjustable design fits your needs. A 270-degree swivel spout ensures effortless drainage, keeping countertops dry. Durable, multifunctional, and elegant, this dish rack is a must-have. Dish drying rack for kitchen counter with drain board. Upgrade your kitchen organization with this large 2-tier multifunctional dish drying rack. It features ample space to neatly hold plates, bowls, and cookware, while the included utensil holder and cup holder keep smaller items in place. The integrated drain board ensures water flows directly into the sink, keeping your countertop spotless. Made with a durable, rust-proof design, it's perfect for daily use. Add efficiency and elegance to your kitchen with this must-have drying set. Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack, extendable and multifunctional. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack, designed for convenience and durability. Its extendable feature adapts to your needs, fitting perfectly on any counter. The anti-rust material ensures long-lasting performance, while the built-in cutlery and cup holders keep everything organized. With a sleek design and excellent drainage system, this dish rack is the ultimate solution for clutter-free countertops. Kitsure Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kitsure Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack, featuring an adjustable width 23.6 inch to 35 inch to fit most sinks seamlessly. Its 2-tier design and multifunctional baskets offer ample space for dishes, utensils, and even cutting boards, keeping your counter organized and clutter-free. Made with durable, rust-resistant material, it's built to last and easy to clean. The smart drainage system ensures a dry, mess-free countertop. Stylish and functional, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen.